The Nothing Phone 3a and Nothing Phone 3a Pro are becoming official on March 4th. The images show that the Phone 3a and Phone 3a Pro have identical designs. However, the main difference is in the camera department. The Phone 3a features a triple camera setup in a horizontal manner with the LED flash placed above the horizontal bar. On the other hand, the Pro version has an LED flash and 3 rear-facing cameras, including a periscope camera, placed almost randomly inside the circular module. Phone 3a Pro have a 50-megapixel main and 8-megapixel ultra-wide and 50-megapixel periscope telephoto camera, which delivers 3x optical zoom and 6x digital zoom. Phone 3a Pro have a flat display with a centrally positioned punch hole. Feature a 6.77-inch AMOLED FHD plus 120Hz screen. Phone 3a Pro will be powered by the Snapdragon 7's Gen 3 chipset. The phones are said to pack a 5000 mAh battery, support 50W fast wired charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.